Ever wished a keyboard could feel like a full workstation? KeyGo Gen2 brings that idea to life with its 180-degree foldable design and ultra-slim body. It easily fits into a bag without adding bulk. The built-in 4K touchscreen isn't just for show. It displays shortcuts, tools, and quick controls while working, making multitasking smoother and faster. Built-in speakers and adjustable brightness add a premium touch. It feels less like a keyboard and more like a compact command center. Perfect for creators, students, and remote workers who want power without carrying extra gear. The EMEET PIXY is built for serious streamers and content creators. With a Sony 1/2 2.55-inch sensor and dual-camera AI tracking, it keeps subjects sharp and centered automatically. Gesture control makes it hands-free, perfect for live streaming or presentations. Compatible with OBS and even Switch 2 setups, this camera feels future-ready. The DopeSplay screen extender instantly turns a regular laptop into a multi-screen workstation. With 1200p IPS resolution, visuals stay sharp and color accurate. Compatible with 13.3 to 17.3-inch Windows laptops, MacBooks, and even Chrome devices. For productivity lovers, this makes multitasking smoother and more efficient. The virtual mouse mover solves a simple but annoying problem: auto screen lock. This small device keeps a computer awake with undetectable automatic movement. It includes an on-off switch for quick control without unplugging. Ideal for long downloads, presentations, or remote work sessions. Ever faced overheating issues during outdoor shoots? The NITECORE CW20 fixes that fast. This multi-purpose pocket photography fan gives smooth, stepless wind control. Perfect for Canon or Sony short video creators, camping, or studio use. Compact, powerful, and super easy to carry anywhere. Clear audio can completely change video quality, and this mic proves it. The J6 wireless lavalier mic is plug and play, no complicated setup needed. Great for vlogging, interviews, live streaming, or YouTube content. Stable connection, clean sound, and zero cable mess. Managing live stream controls just became much easier. The Ulanzi D200 production console keeps everything organized and fast. Perfect for gaming, office setups, or YouTube and TikTok creators. Professional workflow without a complicated learning curve. Privacy matters more than ever today. The Baseus camera detector helps find hidden cameras and suspicious signals. Small, smart, and easy to carry while traveling or staying in hotels. Peace of mind in one simple security gadget. Home repairs feel effortless with the EMEET Brushless Electric Drill 2. Type-C rechargeable, cordless, and built with smart power control. Great for DIY projects, furniture fixing, or daily home use. Strong performance packed inside a sleek, modern design. Baseus AR Glasses Adapter USB-C Hub, a small device that solves a big problem. It allows charging and playing at the same time, which is perfect for long gaming or movie sessions. Compatible with Switch, Rockid, X-Real, and Ray Neo Air, so no device stress. Compact, travel-friendly, and built for smooth AR experiences without interruptions. Next, Baseus magnetic screen light, and this one instantly upgrades any desk setup. It clips on top of a monitor, saves desk space, and reduces eye strain at night. Soft LED lighting focuses on the keyboard area without shining into the eyes. Clean, modern design makes it perfect for study, editing, or late-night work. Now this is a productivity monster, the Baseus 12-in-1 USB-C hub docking station. Dual 4K at 60 Hz HDMI support means serious multitasking power. Includes RJ45, SD-TF slots, USB 3.2 ports, and 100-watt PD charging. One hub transforms a simple laptop into a full workstation instantly. For tech lovers who enjoy monitoring performance, the Turzek's IPS USB Secondary Screen is a cool addition. Displays CPU, GPU, RAM, and HDD stats in real time on a sharp IPS panel. Works with Windows 10 and 11 without complicated setup. Small size, big aesthetic boost for gaming or creator PC builds. Finally, the powerful yet pocket-sized WUBEN X4 EDC flashlight delivers up to 1500 lumens with RGB lighting options for versatility. Flat design fits easily in pockets, plus magnetic base adds convenience. IP68 rating makes it tough enough for outdoor adventures or emergencies.